Hi guys, today it's Fall Guys, so I will show you how to make this cute fellow, Fall Guy. So you gamers probably know what I'm talking about. You need to mix a little bit of colors. You need a knife. You need, of course, a polymer clay. I use Cernite, but you can use Fimo or whatever you want to use, as long as it's polymer clay. If you use some other material, that's okay too. I like this because it's good to work with. It sticks together and you can still keep the shape of your figures. So without more talking, let's go into the video. Okay, let's start. If you want to pause the video, just do it and resume when you feel for it. I speed up some of the stages, but I think you get the hang of it. The body should be shaped like a bean or a peanut. Take a little bit of lighter pink and try to make it into a round, flat circle. I use my fingers, I push it against the surface. I take a thin string of black and put it as hair, just right where the face meets the body. I use my razor blade to get it up. If you use a razor blade, remember to be careful with your fingers. As you see, I put some tape on mine so I can use just one side of it, and I will not cut my fingers. Place the face on the body and try to get it as round as possible. Roll a thin pink roll and use it around the face. This way you get a nice three-dimensional look. Don't hurry too much. Take it easy and try to get it as round as possible. And when you're happy, cut it and just push a little bit with your fingers so you don't lose the shape of it. Cut two pieces of black, these are your eyes, and try to get them close to each other and still so you get the nice look. Eyes should look to the same side. In this case, I put them to look straight forward. As you see, you don't need many tools. A knife and your fingers is usually just enough for almost everything. I use again the back of my knife to get the mouth. When you make the arms, place them on top of each other. This way they will be exactly the same size. I roll them between my fingers to get a rounded top. Do the same with both. And now for a little bit of a tricky part. Just nip with your fingers to get a thumb and a hand. Make both hands, but be sure that you don't make two left hands or two right hands. One of each. Then I use my knife to get the fingers. Use your fingers to get the right shape. And then attach them to the body. Same thing with the left arm. Just take your time, don't hurry up too much. Now, if you want to make a bigger size model, it's easier to make the arms. The bigger the better. Now the only thing we have left are the legs. Cut 2 pieces the same size and roll them, and then just by using your fingers try to get them to look like feet or shoes. Now it's time to make him stand up. When you're happy with your feet, just take the model and put it on the feet. Push a little bit, but not too hard. When you bake it in the oven, it will actually stick. Now that's it. We are done. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please come back in the future.